everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing well, especially all the new mothers out there who are probably struggling a bit but enjoying the phase. I know it's all too confusing, but you're right on track. Everything will smooth out, all the rough patches will become okay. I went through the very same thing. I think the initial 1 or 2 months with your newborn is tough because you're figuring out what is it, what they feel, and then you're figuring out your feelings. So it's all too confusing. But now my baby is almost 5 months old. Now I understand some of her patterns, what she's trying to say, what her cries mean, etc. Maybe I'll save that for another video. But today I wanted to address a very important topic. I think most mothers are struggling with, I'm sure. You might be thinking a lot about it, you might be discussing with people, you might be hearing comments like the title says, My baby does not poop. So here's how it started. The initial 1.5, 2 months, her poop cycle was regular. She used to go every day. It was not a problem at all. And we were all, hunky dory. Everything is fine. And then I think 1.5 month post she was born, she didn't poop for like 4 days. We said, okay, let it be. She didn't poop for 5 days. Again, we said, let it be. The sixth, seventh day, we started getting worried that, oh God, there is something wrong with her, right? I mean, she's a newborn. She can't even express that. She can't tell us that something is wrong. But she seemed okay. From outside, everything seemed okay. But we as parents, as grandparents, of course, we started worrying. Family started worrying, and they started giving these little, tips and tricks. Put this, put that, try the soil, put some hot water on the bum area. They started giving such tips and tricks, which, to be honest, I was not very much in favor to kind of do it. I'm somebody who very much follows what a doctor says. I completely believe in what the doctors say, and I want to follow exactly what they say. So I said, okay, fine, let's go to a doctor. And we went to the doctor, and even the doctor was like, okay, 6 days is not very normal. Let's give her glycerin. And the seventh day, we went to the doctor. Let's give her the suppository glycerin and make her poop. And we said, okay, doctor's advising, should be fine. We did that. The next time, again, the same thing happened. Okay, the same cycle happened, 7 days. We again went back to the doctor. Then the doctor said, okay, maybe that something is wrong or maybe not. And he said, okay, let's do a thyroid test because I have thyroid. So could be that it's passed on to her. We, of course, did a test when she was born. But he said, let's try this because sometimes it is constipation is a symptom of that. But again, from the outside, she was absolutely fine. So we went on to do the thyroid test. It was perfectly normal. Then the doctor said that, okay, fine, looks like everything's fine. Maybe it's that her intestinal movements are less. So maybe it's taking time for her to bring things out, excrete basically. And he said he gave us this syrup. He said if she's feeling any discomfort, if her stomach is tight, etc., give it to her and let her make her poop. We said, okay, fine. Then we went back home. This was the second time. Again, we had put glycerin and all of that to fix it. Then we observed, we just let it be. Okay. After that, it was 6 days, 7 days, she did not poop, 10 days. We just let it be. Of course, people around us were kind of poking and triggering. Okay, what happened? Do this, do that, go to the doctor. I was like, nothing doing. We are going to just believe in what the doctor said. We're just going to let it be. And like I said, she was absolutely fine. Her abdomen was soft. The 11th day, she pooped. Of course, we were, what do you say, we were so joyful, so happy. It was great for us because, of course, it's a newborn and there are so many kinds of worries around it. The next time, again, in 10, 11 days, she pooped by herself, and it was the time for vaccination. We went to the doctor. Doctor asked, everything went well? Did she poop by herself? Then it's absolutely fine. There's nothing to worry. Now it's like 10, 11 days, or sometimes 14, 15 days. So basically, what I'm trying to say is it's okay. It's absolutely normal, especially for a baby like mine who is exclusively breastfed only. I'm not giving her any formula, I'm breastfeeding her exclusively. For such babies, it's very normal. What happens? I would like to kind of just give a brief on what process happens, and this is purely my experience and my understanding and research and my visits to the doctor. So what happens is they're able to digest the tiniest bit of the breast milk. So there is no waste per se. But if you are giving the baby formula or mixed feeding, like formula plus breastfeeding, there might be chances that there is waste to be excreted, right? But for an exclusively breastfed baby, there's very minimal waste. So what happens? The rectum of the baby stores this minimal waste and keeps it storing it. Only once it is full is when it comes out. So for my baby, it fills up in 10, 15, whatever number of days. For your baby as well, it's the same. If you're exclusively breastfeeding, that little waste kind of collects, and then when it's all filled up, that's when it kind of comes out. So it's absolutely normal. There's nothing to worry. Again, if your baby is being mixed fed, breastfeed plus formula or formula only, the days, number of days might change. When do you need to worry? When do you need to worry that, okay, baby might be constipated or there's some kind of issue, etc., and go to the doctor, rush to the doctor, is when if you touch the abdomen, it's hard, right? It's not soft, it's not your normal abdomen, it is hard. So that is problem number one. Problem number two is the baby's poop. Whenever the baby has pooped, it's difficult for them, and they are crying, they're in pain. You can see the discomfort, right? And the stool is not proper. It's kind of tight. It's not your usual stool that you see notice in your baby. That's again problematic. If they're giving too much pressure, they're trying to push it out, and there is a lot of pain they are going through. That, of course, as a mom or a dad or grandparents, etc., you can figure out. That's when you need to really worry. If your child is in pain, if your child is in discomfort, that's when you need to rush to the doctor. Otherwise, it's absolutely fine. It's absolutely normal. Your baby doesn't poop for days. My baby does not poop for days. It's all absolutely normal. It is nature. So mothers, moms, please stop worrying so much. Please stop listening to everybody, everything. If you are in doubt, if you are questioning your instincts or the happenings, you just rush to a doctor. That's it. You go to a doctor, go to a pediatrician, get it cleared. You ask tons of questions. They will respond, and they will respond the right things. So fine, you're doing everything in your will for your baby and taking good care of the baby. That's what I wanted to share today. Maybe we'll get back with another such video. I'll share more such experiences I have with other topics with my baby, and I'll be back. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.